for now, mag-haul tayo. I have packages here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, buksan ko lang tong mga to kasi to be honest, hindi ko na matandaan kung ano-ano sila. So, right now, I need to open these packages. So, first one is from Shopee. Let's open this.
Okay. Daddy? Okay. Sila kasi did you film when you did groceries?
So,
Yung check ko yun sa mga family.
okay. This is for my
Carrots and peas.
lunch box storage bag. So, tignan natin yung quality niya. Kung maganda.
I want the big one. I want the big roll.
Okay. So, okay naman
Maybe we
siya.
can get the other
So,
one.
thermal
That one.
bag.
Look, that 6-pack. No,
So,
no, no,
yeah.
The Viva.
That's good.
Is it good? I don't like the thin one. I like the... No, I'll stick with my hand. That's all it is. And bag. Where's the bag?
Okay, next one is
Huh? Yes, I do.
this one. This one is from
You like Bisco? I think you don't like Bisco. What did you have with Bisco?
walang nakalagay guys kasi Shopee and Lazada tong mga in-orderan ko eh. So, hindi ko alam kung Shopee ba to or Lazada. But maybe if I see the product, I may know kung saan siya galing. So, this is from Shopee also. This is face mask. Oh my gosh, I said there's a box. So, there's a box inside. So, tatlo to. Kasi wala na rin kaming face mask. So, ilalagay lang natin siya sa kanyang box. Okay. Kala ko kasi walang box. Kasi talagang shinure ko na pag-order ko merong box. So, yeah. Assemble muna natin siya, guys.
No, I can't.
Okay, so ganito na yung itsura niya, guys. Nalagay ko na rin sa loob yung face mask.
Let's get food.
So, may binuksan akong isa dito. Para kukuha na lang.
Why wars? Oh, we have pictures outside. Okay. I'm gonna get my... Do we still have
Ayan,
butter?
this one.
We get...
Tapos na yun.
Stop doing this. If you need someone, you need that small. Aray ko siya.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Next one is this one. Okay. This is my hair diffuser. So, kulot ako ngayon. Kaya, ang ginawa ko lang is bumili lang ako ng pambala doon sa blower ko. So, this is universal. Yep. This
I
one.
need bag for that one.
I will try it later if mag-work. Okay, next one is this one.
One more now.
That is from Shopee.
Yeah, for cooking.
This one is from Shopee also. What is this? Ah, I need this really. For girls, it's a nipple cover, nipple pad, whatever. So yeah. This is original to be honest.
Carrots.
So I will try it later. Next one is from Lazada. Okay. Let's open it. Okay, this is for office. I need another pair, another what do you call this? Correct? For office. Yeah. So I know I'm large, so kasya yan sa akin. The black skirt, casual. For office.
Ikaw, niloloko mo na ako.
Next one, oh my god, I need this. My shock. It's so cute. They are so cute. These are from Shopee. Or no, Lazada. The design. Hindi ako nawawala ng mga shock, ponytail. Like, yeah.
Get me green apples, please.
This one is cute. Or see, cutie. And this big one, I don't know what is inside. So, this is from
Okay. Just pair. I have Carolina. 2, please.
I'm not sure. And overheard niya is vlog ni Manay Chona.
And then,
From Chona and my kids. Oh, this is my lunch bag. Okay. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I'm an HR officer po. So, yeah. This is so cute. I love it. This is just a Japanese style
This one.
two-story bags, lunch bags.
Get the
And this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I like it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, nakasya siya dito sa ating lunch bag. I think it fits. But wala na akong ibang malalagay na iba. Ano? Oh, guys. Oh, madami pang spaces. See inside. So, yeah. This is really cute. Okay. That's good.
Sorry. Can I get my apple card and vegetables?
So, bigpitin ko lang tong mga kalat. And then, I will go
Mia, as far as
make our dinner. So, yeah. See ya.
this one.
Para makita nila ate.
Hindi mo sinabi, nag-makeup sana ako.
Bakit si J.O. kanina na nawawala?
Alam mo naman yan, parang ano yan.
Mama, nagpupunta ka na doon kay ma'am, kay nanay.
Ah,
Nanap niya si mama na sa sasakyan na pala.
Hindi naririnig. Tinatawag.
Pero pinakamamay na matanda yun, yung namatay yun, yung laman ng wallet niya, yung parin.
Oo.
Hindi, mamaya sa baba. Nagkakal yan. Bulacan yan.
Ibay.
Pag Bulacan matagal ang buhay niyan, pero pag Flores, kay mabilis,
Sabihin, kung pera doy, mahina.
mabilis na.
Magaling malusaw.
Pag Bulacan matagal.
Ito mapalila. May mga ganun.
Ayan. Nagtatalo lang po, kapitan din.
okay na po.
Baka anuhan kami ulan.
Baka
Kaumanan.
maabutan po kami ng ulan. Kasi matutunaw kami. Kasi
Wala yung blaklak ko. Blaklak ko nga. Hindi yung... Yung lang po.
Pa, okay ka na dito, nilipat ka na.
Yung may pula. Walang...
Kuha ka isa, J.O. Isa lang.
Be, ayak bukas. Sige.
Isa lang, sige, kumuha ka. Humugot ka.
Baka mahulog ka.
Ito. Ito na yun. Iya, kayaknya.
May maghuhulog pa.
Masuk. Yun eh.
Ino mamaya para ma. Lambot na lupa eh.
Anong sukat niyan, Mar? Anong sukat niyan? Ah, pagdating ganito, kahaba.
Sa Diyos ang mga makapangyarihan sa lahat ng may gawa ng langit at lupa. Buti hindi umulan. Amen. Hmm?
Ayusin na yung mga lalagyan na ng
Magra-road widening na doon.
lalagyan ng daanan na ano. Yung mga
Kala ko kuya, natulog ako.
Bawal ka ng pag-ubit. Huli ka tulog dyan, tanggal agad. Oo,
Di ba tanggal lang naman.
wala lang siya.
O, bigyan mo trabaho dyan.
Natira guys, yung chicken. Dalawa yan, dalawang ganito. Tapos yan na lang yung shrimp. Tapos ubos na rin yung malaking rice. And then, yung afritada. Meron pa sa ref. Tapos ito yung menudo. And then, naubos na yung isang bilao rin ng ganito. Ng kakanin. Suman. And then, ito yung sauce niya. And then, yung isang, ng palabok. Takpan natin. Mamaya na ako magliligpit.
Gusto mo pa ba?
let's go.
Go. Natanong ano, nabili pa ako. Nakakailan yung pwede naman eh. Wala yan. Iba yan. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-shower, guys. And then, I'm watching Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha right now. I just need it to be dry. I don't wanna blow it right now, tonight. So, yeah. Nilipat lang namin si Daddy sa private cemetery. And I'm just done with my day today. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you are well, be good, and see you in my next one. Good night.